Hello friends, welcome back to this modern JavaScript series. Today we will see about sets. This is also the new addition into modern JavaScript ES6 and later. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Basically a set is a special type collection, which is also we can say set of values but without keys. Where each value may occur only once. So this is similar to arrays. In array, we only can store values, but not the keys, right? This ordered value we have seen there. But in set, we can add a set of values without keys, and each value can occur only once. So that is the main difference between array and set. So let us see how can we create a set here. Let me create set first using a let keyword, and the similar syntax is there. You can write new set, and you can invoke the constructor function here, and using the new operator you will get the set. So this is set of any type, or if you want to add any value, you can directly use the set dot add method here. So I can add let's say Nilesh. Okay, and I will again add some other values as well. So if I add any number here, let's say 100, and if I run this, so let us see what happens. Just open the terminal and go to the file. We are inside 04 expert 37 map set. So as you can see, our set contains two values. The size of set has been displayed here, and two values are Nilesh and 100. Let me show you one more thing. If I add set.add Nilesh again, then see what happens here. It will basically will not add anything there. If we had array here, it will add another entry as a Nilesh. So that is the main difference here. We have other methods as well. Let me show you one more thing. If I write set.delete, if I write 100 here, and then copy this line, paste it here, let us see what happens. So as you can see on the first print line or console.log, I have two values inside the set, Nilesh and 100. In the second, after deleting 100, I can see only Nilesh. So that is how you can delete the value. There is again we have other methods as well. Let me show you. So if I write set.has, it will give you the true or false based on the value you have passed to check whether the set contains it or not. So if I run this, so it will give me the true. If I change the number to 102, so it will give me the false. So that is how you can check whether the value is there or not. You can use clear as well here. So if I just a second, you can use set dot clear as well. So if I run this, the set is emptied now. So that is how you can use this. Now let us see how we can iterate through this set as we have seen into the map. Also we have size. It is similar to the map as well. So we have size, we have entries, all sort of things. Let me show you the keys as well. So keys is the method here. It will return me the keys. Okay, so these are the keys. You can also say the values as well. If I call the values method here, you can see the values. Both the methods will return the same thing because in sets we don't have a key. We only have entries, which is called as a key sometimes, or called as a values sometimes. So that is again, and we have entries as well. If I run this, you can see the same thing, set entries. Correct. So it will give me Nilesh as a key and Nilesh as a value. That's why it has given me Nilesh 100 100. So that is how this works. You can add all sorts of values there. You can add more things like complex objects you can also add here. If I give you the example, let me show it to you. If I run this, you will see a different type of set here. So set entries I'm printing right now. If I remove this and let me run this again, so it can hold all sort of values here, whether it's a primitive or any complex object. So that is there. Iterating over a set, it is similar to maps, so we can use for of loop. If I write const val of set, and if I console.log val, that is value, and if I run this, you can see each value has been printed separately. So that is how you can iterate over sets. So all those things are there. We have seen entries, keys, values. Entries will return you the value as a array. So array of array will be returned and you can use this. So why we need set basically? Let me give you one practical example here. So let's say const array I have here, and my array contains something like this: Nilesh, then 1, 2, then 3, then 1, 2, then again Nilesh, and then again I have some other name, let's say John. And if I save this, my array contains multiple repeated values. I mean, my array contains some repeated values. As I can see, Nilesh is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, and other sort of unique entries. So what I can do, I can actually create set first out of this array. So if you write something like this, let's say I'll just do the console log first. So I can do this new set, and then I can pass the array here. So what happens, let me just show it to you. So as you can see, it will create a separate set out of this array. Earlier I had one, let me print that as well. So if I run this, you can see my array has 8 values earlier, but after removing the duplicates, it gives me the 5 values inside my set. So once you remove duplicates, you can actually generate the array as well. So what you can do, you just have to write array.from, and then you have to provide your set. Let me show you. So if I do this and I'll pass array here, so first I am converting array into set, which means I am removing the duplicate values. Then again I am calling array.from method, which basically expects one iterator. Okay, so from method actually expects one iterable object, and set is a iterable object. If I run this, let me show it to you. I am getting the unique values of array, so I am removing the duplicates from the array. So that is the one real life use case of set. We can also use in many places, but this is the simplest way of using set to remove the duplicates. I hope you have learned something new from this video, and please like and share this video. Also don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, as I'll be uploading more videos onto modern JavaScript. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to live